Welcome to Skides Mati branch, and also in Meet and Grill Mati.
It's like samgyupsal but different. Ano nga yung?
It's a version. It's yakiniku. Actually, this is Japanese. It's almost like ano po. It's almost like samgyupsal, but it's with different sauces, Chinese and ano.
Nasa palette ng Japanese, of course.
Yes. Where you can also grill vegetables, unlike sa samgyupsal, like more on meat.
Yeah, and yung side dish.
Side dishes, it's almost the same, but we do have infused with like for the Philippine taste.
Oh, yes. How many years na sir ang ano?
For Skides Mati is going 5 years since 2019. Then Meet and Grill almost 2 years na.
2 years. And sila lang yata yung ganito here, guys.
Yes. Only serving yakiniku. Mati.
Okay.
And we also do serve shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu.
Yeah. So more on like infused
fusion siya of
Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and Filipino.
All in na. But I like the view, guys. Kasi on top pala, hindi ko kalain that we have a Mati scenic view. Cityscape. May seascape, may mountainscape. Kompleto, Ricardo. Like them. Kasi they have ramen also. You can like, if you want ramen, and then if you want naman the unlimited siya. So, for how much?
Starting price is $2.99. And for the shabu-shabu, one set is $4.99.
Okay. So, sige. We'll try the shabu-shabu siguro. And then, kakain pa ito ng marami. Pero anyway, limit lang natin kasi.
And actually, the owner just arrived.
Si Miss Mia?
Si Sir Jude.
Sir Jude?
Yes.
Ano ni Miss Mia?
Her mother.
Okay. Sige. Kano yan din?
Yes po.
Sige. Thank you lang ako, guys! Hi, guys! Sir Jude, the owner of...
Hi!
Oo, sila yung owner. Anak niya si Miss Mia, friend of Faith, who recommended the place. So, I'll try it later. Hi! How was it, sir?
Yeah, great.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah,
this is the ampalaya chips. Yung mga special needs na specialty dishes na when I say specialty dishes, nag-innovate sila. So this is the local kimchi. So sila rin, so they have their own recipe for this. Inspired by Korean kimchi lang. Okay, they have burong mangga ha. So it's infused talaga with Korean, Filipino, Japanese. This is the bulinaw. I think the bulinaw yun. Marami naman kayong catch yung bulinaw here, no? Oh, ito yung paborito ko sa akin. Okay, coleslaw. Ito yung mga yakiniku sauces na spicy.
Samjang.
You make your own samjang also?
Yes po.
Kasi medyo lighter siya sa original samjang. Okay. So more on garlic din siya.
Mostly po.
So may ano naman eh. May ano naman eh. Chili flakes. Ano yun nandoon? Gusto ko tikman yung ano nyo, ampalaya chips. Oh, kalabasa that you can grill. Yung pwede nyong i-grill. Fish cake. This is al fresco, guys. Yeah. Talong. So, pwede ka mag-grill na. So, guys, ayan. How was it? Busog? How was it, kuya? Ito yung ano nila. Vegetable broth yung ginagamit nila for the shabu-shabu. They made it also no. Hindi ko alam saan ako uupot. Sila kain ng kain. Saan ba ako? So for a change, I like the ano ha. In fairness, I like the innovate na kimchi nila kasi recipe nila ang gamit nila. Yes, it's good. I like it. I would like that also. Ayan, mahilig kami sa soup eh.
Pila ko na limang days ko na. Thank you.
Someone's enjoying.
Dito na sila siguro dito na.